Hi, this is Connie. Today's recipe is going to be done by Vince. It's something that kids and guys in the house will like if they enjoyed both cheeseburgers and quesadillas. It's cheesy, beefy, cheeseburger quesadillas.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe. Getting right into the recipe, we're going to prepare the topping sauce that we'll be using for our cheeseburger quesadilla recipe. In a small bowl, we're adding 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Then 2 tablespoons of pickle relish, either dill or sweet depending upon your family's personal preference. Now 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Some coarse black pepper to taste. Give it a good stir. And put it aside until we use it to construct the quesadillas. Now add about 1.5 pounds of ground beef to a preheated pan under low-medium heat. You may want to add a little of your favorite oil to help the frying. Break up the beef throughout the browning of it. Now season with coarse black pepper and kosher salt to your taste. By the way, please leave a comment or give us a suggestion for a recipe that you'd like to see us offer. We'd like to hear from you. Continue to turn the beef until it's lightly browned. When ready, remove the beef from the pan, so that we can separate the meat from the fat and waste liquid. Return the beef to a clean pan, and add 1 cup of ketchup. Then 1/3 of a cup of prepared mustard. 4 slices of browned and crumbled bacon. And 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce.
Take a moment to subscribe to our Quick Recipe channel and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you. Now mix everything well and bring it to a low simmer. When fully heated, place the meat aside on a low heat to keep it warm. To construct the quesadillas, use either a griddle or a non-stick cast iron pan, if you have one, so that you'll get the correct melt of the cheese and browning of the tortillas. Place a tortilla on the medium-heated cooking surface. And then add an evenly distributed, but thin layer of cheddar cheese. And do the same thing with the beef mixture, so that there is only a thin single layer of meat. It's important not to overfill it with too much cheese or meat. Then add the top tortilla. Check the pan side to see how the browning of the bottom is going. Once you see that there is a nice light browning, flip the beefy, cheesy cheeseburger quesadilla over. Then move it to a cutting board to cut into quarters.
Here's the list of ingredients for cheeseburger quesadillas to serve 4 hungry appetites. Brown 4 slices of bacon, drain it, and crumble it into small pieces. 1.5 pounds of ground beef. 1/3 cup of prepared mustard. 1 cup of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of whole milk. 2 tablespoons of pickle relish, either sweet or dill, depending on your taste preference. Kosher salt and coarse black pepper to taste. 8 flour tortillas, 8 inches in diameter, that's 2 per serving. 1¼ cups of shredded cheddar cheese. 2 cups of shredded lettuce. 2 cups of fresh chopped tomatoes.
You can review the list in the Show More section below. Plus there's a download link there also for the entire recipe. Lightly add some of the sauce we prepared in the beginning. and garnish each beefy, cheesy, cheeseburger quesadilla with shredded lettuce and chopped fresh tomatoes.
What a gorgeous and appetizing dish that makes. Bon appétit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickRecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.